Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ayan po yung paligid namin. Birthday po ni Mayer ngayong araw na to. July 8. Kaya po, mamaya po meron po kaming pa-party. Marami po siya mga bisita. Shout out po para sa inyong lahat. Ayan po yung bahay namin. Ayan yung swing bata. Ito yung kadulasan niya. Ito yung kabuuan ng lugar namin. Ayan, basa pala rito sa swing. Diba? Mamaya naman po uli. Hi! Good morning po. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Andito po kami ngayon sa birthday po ni Maya. Mamaya marami pong bisita. Tara po guys. Mamaya pag nagbihis po kami. Ayan. Tara po. Mamaya po uli guys. Shoutout po pala kay Dali, kay Betty, kay Mama Lita, sa mga kay si Aldrin Rivera, si Joy, lahat po kayo, si Ana, si Kapitan Santiago, hello, sa mga Bulacan, kay Teresa, shout out kay Mama Nora, taga Baguio, sa mga pamangking ko, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Ayan guys, ayan ang may birthday, naglalaro sila, nagtutubig sila. Happy birthday! Maya, Michael, hi! Naglalaro sila ng tubig, nagkakalat sila ng gusto. Oh, bebe! Anong ginagawa mo? What are you doing, baby?
There's two guys swimming and we have to coffee.
What is that? Wow naman, ang ganda naman.
We have to coffee that.
Oh, how old are you now?
6.
Oh, good. It's good. Happy birthday. Yan, naglalaro sila. Mamaya magkakalat naman sila. Hinahayaan ko lang sila. Moment nila yan. Kasi mamaya pa kainan. Maraming bisita.
Si Mike.
Yan. Ay nako, birthday po na ng bata. Huwag mong malikot. Birthday po.
Birthday card! Meyer!
Yeah.
Tsaka
Baby, wait.
tingin mo si Michael, ah.
Ako pa na. Yan.
And then si Michael. Say hi. Move! Hi. Move! Okay.
Yan na yung labas namin.
Marco, I'm gonna decorate it here. Michael.
Huwag mo nang mag-blow. Happy birthday, Maya!
Happy birthday!
Sixth birthday today. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday! Hindi pa mamaya pa. Ayan yung mga kalat ng laruan namin. Happy birthday. Tapat mo sa akin to, nak.
Ha?
Tapat mo sa amin. Birthday po ngayon ng bata, kaya po kahapon naganda kami. At kanina maraming bisita. Happy birthday po! Happy birthday, Maya! Happy birthday! Yay!
Yay!
Bye! Thank you for watching! My God!
Oh, babay na. Stop ko?
Okay, there, in the duyan. Birthday ng bata ngayon. Happy birthday. Shout out ka kay ano, Lola. Shout out Mama Dali. Shout out Betty. Shout out Mama Lita. Mama Nora, Teresa. Shout out sa Bulacan. Shout out sa pamilya Santiago. Shout out sa pamilya Baluyot. Ayan, binati ko kayo, baka sabihin nyo. Hindi. Shout out sa Albay. Martinez family. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Miss you all. Lungkot dito sa amin. Ayan, naglalaro yung mga bata. Bisa ko lang sila pinakakawalan eh. Kasi masyado silang malikot. You get jacket?
I'll get jacket and coat.
Okay. Nalalamigan daw sila. Kaya kukuha sila ng jacket. Magkakasakit daw sila. Marunong yung bata. Parang mga turuan eh. Pasyal ko kayo rito sa farm namin. Yan. Ikot namin kayo. Yan ang bahay ni Risa. Yan ang mga planta namin. Ilagyan tubig namin. Traktor namin. Wala pa yung mga baka, hindi pa namin lang pinalalabas. Mamaya pa namin palalabasin.
Got jacket.
Yeah, can you wear it? You wear it, baby.
Cold.
Yeah. You wear it, this one, no?
My hair.
How about you?
Mali. Mali.
Ah,
And we are getting for next week a big party.
yay! Galing naman ng baby ko. Ang husay naman, di ba?
And anyways, we got to have party for next week, and we going to swimming pool for next week if it's open. If it's then how we gonna go to and the party.
Yan ang apo ni Mamita.
The big party is going to be at the playground, and it's the other playground park, and the inside one's the airplane playground, and it's so good. And there was a good chicken nuggets, big fat fries I mean, and I got to go to
Shout out Kuya Melvin. Shout out ano.
Queen Raven. It's my birthday for next weekend, and make sure buy me a gift for if it's party time.
Kuya Clark. Kuya Clark.
Kuya Clark. Clark.
Ate Linda, hello.
Who's Arling?
Ate Linda. Hello sa inyo dyan. Hello, hello. Mm.
And everybody wants to come to.
Hello, Jessica. Hi. From DB Mall.
And my cousin's going to go to my in the Christmas. And they're going to be. I have a lot of cousins in my birthday. And anyway, we got to shopping for last time. And this one is cold. And tonight's cold time, but it's not hot. But there's hot day. And it needs to be nice and warm. And anyways, we can reach this and look at this. See, I'm not swimming because you see I'm taller, the same as this.
Okay, bye-bye na. Bye.
But don't forget my birthday.
Shout out to sa inyo lahat. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Love you all. Oh, meron daw siyang hahatiin. Ay, meron pa raw siyang hahatiin.
Today, guys, it's my birthday, or yesterday, and I'm gonna cut this cake.
Happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday. Yay.
And see, and let's put it here. So we got to put it so we can first stop. And anyways, this is what I got. This is the butterfly I just want. And everything gets the balls. And then it's like this. But I really want the balls.
Okay, peace na.
And it's not yet.
Oh, say bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
But not yet. So Percy is going to go to my birthday. Maybe July 8th again.
Bye-bye.